A lot of us struggle to attract money in our life. Here is why. Because we have a bad relationship with money. Many times we say, नहीं नहीं मैं पैसे के लिए नहीं करता हूँ ये सब, मुझे तो अच्छा लगता है इसलिए कर रहा हूँ. अरे, you just disrespected money. When you're asking people for some money, let's say आपने कुछ बेचा, and you're asking for money, don't you feel uncomfortable? So that means in the way you act, you're uncomfortable about asking for money because somewhere you believe शायद पैसा कमाना गलत है. That means we have a bad relationship with money. Let me give you an amazing technique that can help you build your relationship with money, that can help you improve your relationship with money. And this Diwali, let money be your best friend. Happy Dhanteras, and today I have a gift for you to make sure that this Dhanteras and this Diwali becomes the most abundant Diwali of your life. Ready? Let's go. My name is Mitesh Khatri. I and my wife Indu Khatri, we are law of attraction coaches and national best-selling authors of this book, The Law of Attraction. Today, let me share a beautiful concept of money frequency with you. Just the way you have a relationship with me right now, don't we? Sometimes you watch my videos, sometimes you comment, sometimes good comments, sometimes nasty comments. But whenever you are relating to somebody in a small way or a big way, that's a relationship. The way you have a relationship with your parents, the way you have a relationship with your life partner, the way you have a relationship with your friends, you have a relationship with money. Believe it or not, money is a living energy. Yes, it's living energy. The way you treat money is the way money treats you back. A lot of us struggle to attract money in our life. Here is why. Because we have a bad relationship with money. Yes. I'll give you an example. If somebody is your best friend, okay? Your best friend is there in your house with you. There are some other friends also. And you are saying about your best friend, okay, actually I don't invite my best friend at home for the sake of friendship. मैं तो ऐसे ही बुला लेता हूँ क्योंकि मुझे अच्छा लगता है. How would your best friend feel if you talk like this about him? कि मैं तो friend के लिए नहीं बुलाता हूँ, मैं तो अपने लिए बुलाता हूँ. Won't feel good, no? But isn't this the same thing that we do with money? Many times we say, नहीं नहीं मैं पैसे के लिए नहीं करता हूँ ये सब, मुझे तो अच्छा लगता है इसलिए कर रहा हूँ. अरे, you just disrespected money. And like I said, money is a living energy. Because it's living energy, it can literally feel what we are saying. How we feel about money, how we think about money, what we believe about money, the way we take action towards money, money can feel it. And money, like living energy, gets attracted to people who feel comfortable with money. Here's another example. When you're asking people for some money, let's say आपने कुछ बेचा, and you're asking for money, don't you feel uncomfortable? So that means in the way you act, you're uncomfortable about asking for money because somewhere you believe शायद पैसा कमाना गलत है. That means we have a bad relationship with money. Here's another example. If your friend makes more money than you did, we feel jealous sometimes, don't we? Let's be honest. कभी तो jealous हुए होंगे, है ना? Now, when we feel jealous, it's because we feel they got something that they were not supposed to get more than us. But really think about it. If the other person got something that you really love, would you be happy for them or would you be sad for them? Let me give you an amazing technique that can help you build your relationship with money, that can help you improve your relationship with money. And this Diwali, let money be your best friend. In fact, I'll give you a relationship with money that you would have never thought before. Ready? Take this affirmation down. There are 5 parts to this affirmation, so write it down. Take a notepad and a pen. Pause this video if you don't have it. Quickly write down if you really want to make a lot of money in your life. Come on, here we go. First affirmation. I treat money the way I treat my mother. Isn't this amazing? If you could start feeling about money, treating money the way you treat your mother, imagine what kind of a relationship would you have with money. The kind of relationship that you have with your mother. Unconditionally loving. No matter what happens between you and your mother, you always know that bond can never be broken. Wouldn't you agree? That's the kind of relationship I want you to have with money. So here's the affirmation again. I treat money the way I treat my mother. I feel about money the way I feel about my mother. I think about money the way I think about my mother. I believe about money the way I believe about my mother. And I act towards money the way I act towards my mom. How would you act towards your mom? Would you love to give her more time, or would you love to give her less time? When a friend of yours gets a little more love from your mother, would you feel bad for your friend? No, because you love your mother, and anything goes from your mom to your friends, you're going to love that too. That's because that's the kind of relationship that you have with your mother. If you're sitting with your mother, would you be comfortable? Obviously. Sometimes do you go to your mom and say, Mom, aaj ke din ye bana do? Don't you do that? Like last week, I went to my mom and said, Mummy, wo gatte wali sabzi bana ke dena. And we have this one particular sabzi in Marwadis that we make. So when you go to your mother with that level of comfort, it's because that level of relationship with your mother. What if you have the same relationship with money, where you could ask people money comfortably without feeling ashamed, knowing ये तो मेरा हक है? Don't you feel the same with your mother के ये तो मेरा हक है, मम्मी से तो इतना मांग सकता हूँ? Same thing if you could feel with money and you could believe कि ये तो मेरा हक है, काम करूँगा, पैसे तो कमाऊँगा. I'll give you an example. About 15 days ago, I was in a podcast invited by somebody, and this podcaster was very generous, and he had shared my workshop link to come for my webinar in the first comment of his videos. So some people below that had written this message: he's selling something, this is a scam. Now what does that prove? The moment we see that others are selling something, we believe that's a scam. That means what is the relationship with money? Very bad. So somebody who believes that if others are selling something is bad, the day they start selling something, how are they going to feel about it? Obviously, they will try to sell. They will not consciously say this. But at an unconscious level, if they believe that selling is bad, selling is a scam, then what will happen when they start selling? They will not be able to sell. Because unconsciously, they will believe I'm doing something wrong. As a result of that, money doesn't come to us. So this Diwali, here is my request. Start treating money like your mother. There is a reason why money in Indian mythology is called as Lakshmi. And if you know what is the word after Lakshmi? Lakshmi Ma. Right? So are you ready to invite Lakshmi Ma in your life? Are you ready to start treating Lakshmi like mother? Are you ready to start feeling about money like your mother? Are you ready to start thinking, believing and acting towards Lakshmi, towards money like your mother? If you are, promise me in the comment section below. Do it now. Comments में नीचे जाके लिखो, I love money like I love my mother. I treat money the way I treat my mother. When you write that comment, and many people see that comment below this video, they will be inspired to build an amazing relationship with money because you took action in writing those comments. Yes? Great. Make sure that you hit the subscribe button quickly right now, because I'm going to create more such content this Diwali to help you attract abundance in your life. Hit the bell icon, don't forget that, so that the next time I'm creating such amazing content during this Diwali, you definitely get a notification. See you. Bye-bye.